I see what I record?
You can't. I left it at home, so you can't see. That's probably a really bad angle.
No, it's not. It's totally fine.
You're supposed to hold it.
Stop shots.
So we just got from this Lyft. If you don't know what Lyft is basically like Uber, only it's Lyft. And this guy is like a DJ. We're like listening to his mixtape. Pretty legit. And then he's like, hey, let me give you a code to get $20 off your rides. And it's like, yeah. And he's like, hey, where are you staying so I could drop you off some music? We're back in Santa Monica. We couldn't decide what we wanted to do in Hollywood, so we just came back to this area. And we're going to the beach. Let's go get away. They sing every time. Every time. Random. When I was getting my Aki Bowl, I was filming. I don't remember what I was. Oh, I was filming what the place looked like, so I can show you. And the guy was like, "Hey, are you a vlogger?" I'm like, "Yeah, I guess." And he's like, "What's your YouTube?" Then we just started talking, and he freaking ended up sending us a website for a fake ID, and we got his phone number in case there were having any parties. One guy, I'm pretty sure his name was Lawrence. I'm pretty sure he was gay, and I'm pretty sure he was wearing eyeliner. My new favorite. Be a mermaid, goddamn. This homeless guy just asked me for the time. When I was at the Aki Bowl place, I bought like this little non-GMO USD organic pistachio kale thing. I don't know, it was the thought that count. I went back and said, here, I don't need this. And he's like, oh, and he looked at it really confused. I'm like, sorry, health nut, granola bar, have a good day. And are you excited to be back here knowing that we have to walk all that way again?
At least now I have shoes on.
Nice hairdo. Palm trees. How about walking through here in the night? It's hella fucking windy today. No Tyler Posey. You don't know how disappointed I am. Look at all the birds. It's so windy for them.